Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best Budget Action Cameras 2025. Number 1. AKASO Camcorder. Capture life's most exciting moments in stunning clarity with ultra-high-resolution 4K 30 frames per second video and crisp 20MP photos. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or enjoying everyday adventures, this versatile action camera ensures every detail is preserved. With adjustable viewing angles of 170 degrees, 140 degrees, 110 degrees, and 70 degrees, you can customize your perspective to fit any scene, while built-in image stabilization powered by a smart gyroscope delivers smooth, shake-free footage for a professional touch. Designed for connectivity and convenience, it features built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI support. Use the free app to instantly transfer, edit, and share your content, or connect to a TV for a bigger, immersive viewing experience. Dive into underwater adventures worry-free with the included waterproof case, which protects the camera up to 131 feet 40 meters. Perfect for activities like swimming, surfing, or diving. Dual screens, a 2-inch rear screen and a 0.96 front display, make framing shots and vlogging easier in any setting. With two 1050 mAh rechargeable batteries and a USB dual charger included, you get up to 90 minutes of recording per battery. Enhanced accessories support a wide range of mounts, including for bikes and motorcycles, offering great value and flexibility for every journey. Number 2. AKASO External. Experience the thrill of capturing your adventures in breathtaking detail with this powerful 4K Ultra HD action camera. Offering professional-grade 4K 30 frames per second and 2.7K 30 frames per second video, along with stunning 20MP photos, it delivers up to 4 times the resolution of standard HD cameras, ensuring every moment is sharp, vibrant, and true to life. Whether you're biking down a trail or skiing a slope, built-in electronic image stabilization (EIS) ensures your footage remains smooth and steady, even during fast-paced action. Designed for the extremes, the included waterproof case allows you to dive up to 131 feet deep, making it perfect for underwater exploration, beach vacations, and all-weather use. A wireless 2.4G wrist remote lets you control the camera, snap photos, or start video recordings with ease, giving you freedom and flexibility during any activity. Please note, the remote is not waterproof. With built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI support, you can easily connect to your smartphone or tablet using the dedicated app to edit, preview, and share your content within minutes. Whether you're hiking, surfing, or vlogging, this action camera is your ultimate companion for capturing and sharing every epic experience. Number 3. Apexcam Helmet. Capture life's most dynamic moments in ultra-sharp clarity with stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and vivid 48MP photos. Engineered with 6 layers of optical glass lenses, this action camera ensures vibrant, lifelike visuals with enhanced smoothness and detail. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes or high-speed adventures, the 8x digital zoom allows you to focus on the action up close without losing quality. A 64GB microSD card is included, providing ample space for your footage right out of the box. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and a 2.4G remote control offer added convenience. Easily operate the camera from up to 15 meters away or pair it with the dedicated app, Live DV, to preview, edit, and share your content on the go. Ideal for use as a dash cam, the driving mode supports automatic recording on power-up and shuts off with the engine, while the pre-recording feature ensures you never miss critical moments by capturing 5 seconds before you hit record. With a 170 degrees wide-angle lens and multiple shooting modes including time-lapse, loop recording, burst photos, and continuous lapse, this camera adapts to every adventure and gives you total creative control. Number 4. Apexcam Batteries. Dive into your adventures with this professional 4K Ultra HD action camera, designed to capture every thrilling moment in stunning clarity. Offering multiple video resolutions, 4K/30 FPS, 2.7K/30 FPS, 1080p/60 FPS, and even 720p/120 FPS. It adapts to all your shooting needs. Paired with 16MP image quality and a 170 degrees wide-angle 6G fisheye lens, it delivers expansive, detailed visuals that bring your memories to life. A wireless 2.4G wrist remote control lets you record or snap photos with ease, especially when the camera is mounted out of reach. While the remote offers IPX6 level splash protection, it is not suitable for full submersion. The built-in 2.0-inch LCD screen and Wi-Fi connectivity allow you to view, transfer, and share content directly to your smartphone via the compatible app, with a signal range of up to 10 meters. Ready for underwater adventures, this camera comes with an IP68 waterproof case that can handle depths up to 131 feet, ideal for diving, surfing, or swimming. Two 1,050 mAh rechargeable batteries and a dual charger are included for extended use. With features like loop recording, slow motion, time-lapse, and exposure controls, it's a versatile choice for action-packed lifestyles. Number 5. VEMONT Snorkel. Capture everyday adventures with this easy-to-use full HD 1080p sports camera, perfect for beginners and kids alike. With a wide-angle lens and 2x zoom, it delivers clear, detailed video at up to 30 frames per second, ideal for preserving every exciting moment in vibrant quality. Whether you're biking, skating, or exploring the outdoors, this compact camera is built to go wherever the action takes you. The included high-quality waterproof case allows you to dive as deep as 30 meters, 98 feet, making it perfect for capturing underwater fun like swimming, snorkeling, or pool play. A complete set of mounting accessories ensures it can be securely attached to helmets, bikes, surfboards, cars, and more, so you're always ready to record your favorite sports from the best angle. The 900 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 90 minutes of continuous recording and can be easily swapped out to keep filming on the go. Whether you're capturing outdoor adventures or everyday fun, this action camera offers great performance and versatility in a lightweight, beginner-friendly package, giving you the freedom to explore and relive your favorite moments with ease. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.